thing that keeps me going and what really drives me is just seeing the wow sensation people get after they've experienced us or our city. Bringing people joy and discovery and surprise really energizes me. Je m'appelle Stefanie Siska. Je viens de la ville d'Ottawa, la capitale du Canada. My name is Stefanie Siska. I am from Ottawa, Canada's capital, and I am owner of a culinary tourism company called C'est Bon Ottawa. We offer food tours and we offer hands-on cooking classes as well. Ottawa is such a magical place. If you take a stroll downtown, within a 5-minute walk, you will see the Chateau Laurier. Right beside that is the Parliament Hill. And then you're just right at the mouth of our beautiful Rideau Canal, the World UNESCO Heritage Site, that in the winter is just the best place to be outdoors for a skate on the skateway. Continue to stroll and you will be down Spark Street. That's where the site of Winterlude, our winter festival, is held. The interactive art that they have during the festival is so much fun. We have a green belt. There's particular areas right within the city limits. To be this close to nature is such a gift. The Nordic Spa is a fantastic experience for recharging, relaxing. You know what? We need those type of experiences to give us a little bit of a lift every once in a while. We are not known as a culinary destination, but you'd be surprised how much we have to offer as a city on our culinary side. It's as much about the people as it is about the dishes that are put in front of you. I'm really happy when I can shine a spotlight on gems of businesses that we have in our community. Bringing good food to people is not a bad thing either.